Okay, so hey guys, we are getting started with the unboxing of this uh, Corsair HS50 Pro. This is for the PlayStation, like the blue color you can see, but it also works on PC, Mac, mobile, or Xbox. Let me just show you guys. I also got this. It's really heavy, 1000x power supply. We'll do unboxing of that in another video. Okay, so let's just unbox it. Let us get started with the unboxing of this package. So these are the Corsair HS50 Pros. Let's cut the packaging. The good thing with Corsair is Corsair always gives you, like, in the RMA, Corsair will always give you the whole package. Other companies will never give you the whole package. They'll just give you the product. And that's a really bad thing because companies have to give a new product anyways. So, like, why not give us everything with the package? Okay, so this side was the headphones side, and these are the headphones. Okay, and you get a warranty guide. There's nothing else in the box. That's all you need actually. I guess we need to cut this plastic, and these are the accessories you get in the box. This is for the mic. You get a wind filter, kind of pop filter, a little. Yeah, let me show it to you guys. So yeah, this is for the little microphone. It's really cute. This is the adapter cable here. Let me show it to you guys, the adapter cable. Okay, so we get a little microphone to connect, and you get this splitter. Yeah, so you basically get this splitter that use the headphones in the PC. Let me take the headphones out for you guys. And these are the headphones. Look at the blue stitching. The blue stitching is for the PS4 brand, and the cushion cups are looking really good. These are actually looking better than my previous headphones. You have Corsair branding on the top. It's a really long cable you have. You even get this attached cable if you wanna cable tie a long cable. These are the headphones, and that is the place for the mic. You can place a mic here. Okay, so these headphones are looking really sick. The quality is top notch and it is thicker. The foam is thicker than before, which is a really nice thing. This is the mute switch, and this is for the volume. They haven't made it like too strong, but it's fine. It's very good. In the upcoming video, I'll let you know more things about these headphones. These headphones look really cool. That was about for the box. That was about for the HS50 Pros. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you like, and we'll talk about these headphones in the upcoming video.